is practically an offshoot of that Andhra Mahasabha, which works for the cultural and linguistic development and economic development of the town and of the nation. In Pondicherry, there is a huge presence of Telugu people who have contributed economically and culturally to the local people. Gujarat Samaj, though very small in size, has kept and nurtured a wonderful relationship with the Andhra Mahasabha. On behalf of Pondicherry Gujarati Samaj, I express my wholehearted appreciation and gratitude to Andhra Mahasabha and also the Mahila Mandali. I congratulate the Andhra Mahasabha for celebrating this golden jubilee. I wish the Sabha many more happy returns of the day and pray that it marches with grace and dignity towards a diamond jubilee. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.
We request Tamil Mamani Mannar Mannan of Tamil Sangh.
அம்மையார் அறிவித்த போது ஆந்திர முதலமைச்சர் சொன்னது சரியே தான், அது தப்பு இல்லை. ஏனென்றால் ஆந்திராவில் யானமும் இருக்கிறது. யானத்துக்கு எங்கள் முதல்வர் தான் முதல்வர். எனவே பொருத்தமாகத்தான் சொன்னார்கள். எங்களுடைய தமிழ்ச்சங்கத்தின் மூத்த சகோதரர் இந்த ஆந்திர மகாசபா. ஏனென்றால் 67 எங்கள் தமிழ்ச்சங்கம் தொடங்கப்பட்ட போது நாங்கள் அந்த கட்டடத்துக்கு போய் தான் நாங்கள் எங்கள் கூட்டத்தையே நடத்துவோம். அப்படி மூத்த சகோதரர் இன்று வரையிலே எங்கள் டாக்டர் நல்லாம் அவர்களும் எங்களுக்கு உதவியாக இருக்கிறார். இங்கே மொழியை பற்றிய பிரச்சனைகள்லாம் புதுச்சேரியில் கிடையாது. நாங்கள் இருவரும் இன்னும் பல இருக்கக்கூடிய மொழியுள்ளவர்களும் ஒருவர் தான் புதுச்சேரிக்காரர்கள். இந்த சங்கம் தொடங்கிய நாளுக்கு முதல் இன்று வரையிலே ஒற்றுமையாக இருந்து தெலுங்கு மக்கள் மட்டுமல்ல எல்லா மொழிக்காரர்களுக்கும் உதவியாக இருக்கிறார்கள். அதுதான் இன்றைக்கு வேண்டிய ஒரு முக்கியமான கொள்கை என்று நான் கருதுகிறேன். டாக்டர் வி நல்லாம் அவர்கள், இவருடைய தந்தையார் அவர்களும் என்னுடைய தந்தையாரும், நான் மாணவனாக இருந்தபோது எனக்கு ட்ரீட்மெண்ட் கொடுத்தவர் டாக்டர், இவங்க தந்தையார். எனவே நாங்கள் ஒரு குடும்பத்தைச் சேர்ந்தவர்களாகத்தான் இருக்கிறோம் என்பதை கூறி, தமிழுக்கும் தெலுங்குக்கும் மற்ற மொழிகளுக்கும் உதவியாக இருக்கக்கூடிய இந்த மகாசபா நீடித்து தன்னுடைய தொண்டை ஆற்ற வேண்டும். எங்கள் நல்லாம் டாக்டர் அவர்களும் அதற்கு உறுதுணையாக இருக்க வேண்டும் என்று கேட்டுக்கொண்டு, அன்பினால் ஒன்றிணைவோம், உயர்ந்து ஓங்குவோம், அறிவினால் புகழ் பெறுவோம், தொண்டாற்றும் என்னுடைய வாழ்த்துக்கள். நன்றி.
நன்றி. Mr. Iyer, Avainagar Residents Welfare Association.
అది 11 డిసెంబర్ 1948 ఆనాటి ఆంధ్ర యూనివర్సిటీ వైస్ ఛాన్సలర్ శ్రీ కట్టమంచి రామలింగారెడ్డి గారు శ్రీ అరవిందుని పాండిచేరిలో దర్శించుకొని యూనివర్సిటీ తరఫున నేషనల్ అవార్డు సమర్పించుకున్న సందర్భంగా తెలుగు వారికి ఒక సందేశం ఇవ్వమని కోరారు. అంతా శ్రీ అరవిందుల వారు ఏమని ఇచ్చారంటే, గతమెంతో ఘనకీర్తి గడించినటువంటి శ్రీ కృష్ణదేవరాయల పరిపాలనా కాలంలో తెలుగువారు సాహిత్యంలోనూ, సమరాంగణంలోనూ, పరిపాలనా రంగంలోనూ, కళా కౌశల్యాది రంగాల్లోనూ ఎంతో ధీరోదాత్తమైన చరిత్రను ప్రదర్శించారు. అది మరువరానిది. అయితే తెలుగు జాతి జీవితం కోపస్థ మండకం కాకూడదు, జాతీయంగా ఉన్న జటిల సమస్యలను గురించి సమగ్రమైనటువంటి అవగాహన గల విశిష్ట వ్యక్తులతో వారొక సమాజంగా ఏర్పడాలి. ఈ సమాజం జాతీయ వ్యవస్థలు నిర్వహించే కార్యకలాపాలలోనూ, జాతీయ ఆసక్తి కలిగినటువంటి ఇతర అంశాల్లోనూ వారు భాగస్వాములై చురుకుగా పాల్గొనాలి, తమ సమర్థతను నిరూపించుకోవాలి. అంతేకాదు అంతర్జాతీయ రంగంలో భారతదేశం నిర్వహించాల్సిన ప్రముఖ పాత్రను కూడా గుర్తెరిగి ఈ సమాజం తన కార్యకలాపాలను విస్తృతపరచుకోవాలి, రాణించాలి అని అన్నారు శ్రీ అరవిందులు. అంతటి మహాయోగి ఇచ్చినటువంటి ఆ ఆశీస్సులు ఇప్పుడు మనకి క్రియారూపం దాల్చుతూ ఉన్నాయి. ఇటీవల కాలంలో తెలుగు రాజధానికి అమరావతికి పాండిచేరి నుంచి మరి శ్రీ అరవిందుని సమాధి పై గల ఆశీర్వచనాలతో ఉన్నటువంటి ఇసుక, పుష్ప దళాలు అంతటితోనే కాకుండా మన పుదుచ్చేరి నగరం ప్రక్కనే ఉన్నటువంటి సముద్ర జలాలు, అంతేకాకుండా ఈ పుదుచ్చేరి మట్టి ఇవన్నీ తీసుకొని వెళ్ళి వారి మాతా అరవిందుల యొక్క యంత్రములతో ఈ సమతా ఇంటర్నేషనల్ తరఫున మేము సైతం ఉన్నాము అని ప్రధాని మోడీ మరి పార్లమెంటు భవనం నుంచి తీసుకొని వచ్చినట్లుగా మేము సైతం ఉన్నాము అని పుదుచ్చేరి తెలుగువారి తరపునగా, సమతా ఇంటర్నేషనల్ తరపునగా అమరావతి నగరం యొక్క ప్రశస్తతని, విశిష్టతని భవిష్యత్తులో చాటడం కోసంగాను మా వంతు పని మేము చేశాము. అదేవిధంగా ఈ పాండిచేరిలో ఆంధ్ర మహాసభ స్వర్ణోత్సవాల సందర్భంగా మేమంతా కూడా కలిసి భుజం కలిపి అందరం కూడా మా యొక్క సహకారాన్ని అందిస్తూ ఆధ్యాత్మికంగా మనందరం కూడా విశిష్టమైనటువంటి స్థాయికి ఎదగాలని ఆశిస్తూ సెలవు తీసుకుంటున్నాం.
Mrs. Iyer, Abhaynagar Residents Welfare Association, Ladies Wing. Mrs. Fatima, Rainbow Nagar Residents Welfare Association, Ladies Wing.
Respected Chief Guest, our Honorable Chief Minister, Honorable Special Guest, Deputy Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, and all the dignitaries, the President and members of Andhra Mahasabha and Mahila Mandali. First, on behalf of our Rainbow Nagar Women's Welfare Association, I humbly convey my Vanakkam to all. It is really very proud and happy to be one among them in their Golden Jubilee celebration. And behalf of our Rainbow Nagar Welfare Association, I wholeheartedly congratulate them and wish them all. In this most honorable occasion, I salute the founder and now President, Dr. Chevalier Nallam, who has led his Sabha in his extraordinary way, and here they land in this Golden Jubilee. Really, this shows their unity, humanity, and their service-rendering ability to the needy people. Our neighborhood Nagar Association is the Mahila Mandali. The president, Srimati Ramana, is very humble, polite and friendly with all the women's association, and also with their committee member of the Mandali, has led her to do her welfare activities unitedly, cooperatively and successfully. It is also great to know that they have conducted various welfare activities like marriage for poor, organizing medical camp, helping during natural disorders, intercultural function, blood donation, annual day celebration, and many more for women. We have also taken part in their activities and conducted by them for the benefit of women. We feel very proud that women from different community forming association to do various activities for the needy women. This shows only the empowerment of the women and their ability to the nation. Once again, I congratulate and wish them to do more activities for the needy, and I pray to Almighty for their success. Thank you.
Honor MD Ramachandran, former Chief Minister of Pondicherry.
ஓகே சார். நமஸ்காரம், வணக்கம், ஹலோ. எல்லா மொழியும் இங்கே இருக்கிறதால எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம் சொல்லியிருக்கேன். மற்றும் சீஃப் கெஸ்ட் அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். ஆந்திர மகாசபா கொண்டாடும் இந்த 25ஆம் ஆண்டு விழாவுக்கு என்னுடைய வாழ்த்துக்களை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். மேலும் 2 நிமிடம் மட்டும் பேச சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. நாங்களாம் பேசணும்னா கதையாக சொல்லிகிட்டு இருப்போம். பட் கொஞ்சம் சுருக்கமாக பேசிடுறோம். பட் நாங்கள் 20 வருஷமாக இந்திய தாய் மகளிர் நற்பணி மன்றம் நடத்திட்டுருக்கோம் திருமுடி நகரில். ஃபஸ்ட் இயர் நம்ம டாக்டர் சாரை இன்வைட் பண்ணியிருந்தோம் ஃபங்க்ஷனுக்கு. அந்த ஃபங்க்ஷன் ஆந்திர மகாசபாவில் நடந்தது. அன்னைக்கு எங்களுக்கு ஒரு மேடையில் ஒரு வாக்குறுதி கொடுத்தார். அதாவது, இனி நடக்க இந்த இலவச திருமணத்துக்கு வருஷம் நான் இந்த மண்டபத்தை இந்த மன்றத்துக்கு இலவசமாக கொடுப்பேன்னு சொல்லியிருந்தேன். இன்றைக்கி நாங்கள் அடுத்த வருஷம் நாங்கள் 20ஆவது ஆண்டு கொண்டாட போகிறோம். இந்த வருஷம் வரைக்கும் எங்களுக்கு சொன்ன வாக்குறுதி இந்த வருஷம் வரைக்கும் எங்களுக்கு வருஷம் மண்டபத்தை இலவசமாக கொடுத்து ஏழைகள் திருமணத்துக்கு உதவி செய்துட்டு வர்றாரு. இதை நான் இந்த இடத்துல குறிப்பிட கடமைப்பட்டிருக்கேன். அதேமாரி அவங்க குடும்பத்தாருக்கும் மற்றும் ஆந்திர மகாசபா அந்த மன்றத்துக்கும் மகிழா மன்றத்துக்கும் என்னுடைய வாழ்த்துக்களை சொல்லி, மேலும் என்னுடைய மன்றம் அவங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப கடமைப்பட்டிருக்குதுன்னு சொல்லி விடைபெற்றுக் கொள்கிறேன். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
Mrs. Granthi Pallavi of One minute.
I feel honored to stand here in front of all the dignitaries present here. On behalf of Arya Vaisya Mahila Club, I welcome our Chief Minister and all the celebrities and all my friends present here. Being a part of this Golden Jubilee celebration really makes me feel very happy. I won't be exaggerating if I say that both Andhra Mahasabha and Mahila Mandali have been helping the poor people in many ways. They have donated for free marriages, for the education of the young ones, and helping the sick people medically. And this will not stop. This will continue. They have also developed a very good friendship circle, both in and outside the club, by conducting competitions and many other programs. Today, if you see happiness and joy in this hall, it is because of Dr. Nallam Garu, President of Andhra Mahasabha, and Srimati Ramana Garu, President of Andhra Mahila Mandali. Both of them have taken care for their club and society as their own family. And this is because of their unity, dedication, and hard work. Both the clubs have simply done tremendous work for the improvement of the Telugu people. When the work is pleasure, life is a joy. When the work is duty, life is a slavery. So love the work and enjoy the life. With these words, I would like to thank the club for giving me this opportunity on this wonderful day. Thank you.